I don't know. Trying to see if this car is driving different, like if it's hitting the boost the way it's supposed to be hitting the boost. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Let's see. Of course this truck had to come and mess everything up. Now the whole point of making this video was to see, is this car driving the way that it should be driving right now, or is it having like more turbo lag than normal? Because last time I drove this car, I felt like when I would like gas it, like it would take a minute to like build up and stuff. And the fact that our boost gauge still isn't active right now. Again, I know it could be the sensor. I'm not really too sure, but I don't want to like completely like take that out of the equation, right? I'm just taking everything into consideration, because the thing is, the reason I've been lagging on buying that sensor, because that sensor by itself is like 80 bucks, guys. And I don't know if you know what a boost sensor looks like. It's not really called a boost sensor. It's called a if you know the name, I know you're screaming at the screen right now. It's called a what is it called? What is it called? Think. It is a manifold pressure sensor, or something like that. It's in between, like, you guys know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. I forgot. It's not, again, it's not called a boost sensor. It's called something else. It's like manifold absolute pressure, a map sensor. I think, yeah, I think it's a manifold absolute pressure. Yeah. See, you guys just saw me figure that out on camera. It's called a map sensor, and that map sensor is 80 bucks. Right, so that's why I've really been lagging on it. I really should buy it though, because it's good to know how much boost you're running, because if you're over boosting, then that obviously is an issue. So probably should look into that pretty soon. But I just want to make sure that this car is driving right, because I just don't want to, obviously that sensor is a big deal, but I just don't want to not have this car running right, and here I am like driving around. Also, we are about to hit, wait. We're about to hit 100,000 miles, guys. We are at 99,627 miles. Now, that might get hit within the next week or so. It might be in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever. It is an honor to drive a car over 100,000 miles, especially a car that is in condition like this. Like this car, for 100,000 miles, you guys would have never guessed that this car had 100,000 miles on it, because it looks good, right? Like, don't get me wrong, like obviously, you know, a car is gonna have its wear and tear. Like there's gonna be things in here, things in there on this car that I see that other people don't see. The thing is, like, I don't ever plan on selling this car. Like this car is with me to the end, right? So yeah, just pretty cool. It's not enough room to like test it out. I don't have enough room. Like that truck might seem like it's far away, but trust me, that's not enough room. So I need to like go on a back roads or something like that to really test this car out to see if everything is good. Wait for the road to get straight. Come on. Wait for it. Downshift. Chill, that rev angle was insane. Alright, let's try it again. Ready? Make sure ain't no cops in the lineup. Good. I think she's solid, to be honest. She feels better than she normally does. I'm pretty sure you guys are like, this fool's over here capping. No, I'm not. Trust me, like, yeah, she feels good right now, man. And as far as that whole oil drain thing, I haven't seen any clouds of smoke behind me since we rerouted it, so that seems to be good. But I'm not gonna like 100% write it off yet. I'll do some more driving, but yeah, man, she feels solid. I'm just trying to do some more testing, some more pulls to see. Let's see, for a free. Let's do a little pull. Shift knob is loose. I think she's solid. Let's try high boost. That was low boost, by the way, guys. All right, let's try high boost. Let's do a pull. Woo! Oh snap! Yo! Look, even that fool was looking like, bro, you swerved my lane. No, I promise you, it wasn't me. So my 370Z guys, you guys know these cars, for whatever reason, when you hit like a bump or like you hit something in the road, like a dip, the car goes with the dip. I don't know why. I don't know why it does that. I have no idea. And I've said that for so long, and you guys literally witnessed it. I don't know how well it came up on camera, but yeah, that was crazy. Even that fool looked at me, and yeah, it was my fault. But I think this car is running pretty solid. We just probably have to change our sensor, and hopefully that fixes that. The thing with having a modified car like this, though, guys, like when you boost a car that's not meant to be boosted, you constantly have to look at gauges, make sure everything is good, making sure that it's not like overheating, making sure the oil temps where they're supposed to be at. I'm constantly looking at gauges. So I've been saying the next car that I want to purchase is the E92 M3, and for those of you who don't know, it is a BMW. So BMW E92 M3. Whoa! This man's license plate has M3 on the end. I think it's a sign, guys. I think it's a sign. If you guys look at my previous builds that's been on the channel, right? We have the ST, right? Then we have this car. You guys know if I get that car, I am sending it to the moon. Like, it is gonna be a full send, right? Like, a 700 horsepower E92 M3, like, that sounds so sick, you know? Like, twin turbo, even single turbo. I don't know. Obviously, it'd be a lot of money, but yeah, I would never have to do a build, just know that. Oof, my favorite thing is when you're on a fat hill and somebody is so close behind you. Yeah, bro, this is gonna, wow, it's my favorite thing, I love it. What I normally do, because you know, people love to go when the light turns green. So what I normally do is while they're stopped, I like just kind of give them a hint, like, yeah, bro, when that light turn green, don't you jump the gun, because we have this little thing right here called manual transmission, big dog. All right, now that we figured out that this car is fine, now it is time to clean this catastrophe of a garage. Y'all, my footprint is on the wall, don't ask why. My handprint is on the wall, don't ask why. There's just a whole bunch of markings on the wall and on like on the floor and stuff. We gotta clean up, because yeah, don't wanna live like a pig. Also, why is there a spider up there, dog? Oh! What the heck? How did that even happen? You guys wanted more of my personal life? Well, here you go. Each new blessing I receive, bringing me joy. Count on me. Each new blessing I receive, blessings falling. Count on me. Keeps bringing me joy. Count on me. Each new blessing I receive. Let's go see. Curious. Huh. Interesting. There's no damage. Oh shoot. Okay. Only this, but that always happens. Okay. Whew. Everything's good. Everything looks good. That fool for sure didn't survive though. I mean, he cracked it a little bit, but definitely could have been worse. So let me tell you what happened. On my way home, literally down the street from my house, guys. Down the street from my house, right? I'm driving, and it's not uncommon for people to look over and like give me thumbs up or like just give me a compliment on my car, right? So I'm looking over and the truck is looking at me, and like the passenger, right, they're looking at me. And so I look, but then like as soon as I'm about to turn my head, I see that they brake hecka hard. I'm like, what the heck? So I look back and there's a dog, there's a little dog running right in front, bro. And like, it was to the point where even if I broke, I still would have hit him because he was right in front of my car. So like, I broke a little bit and all I hear was a boom. Now, as you guys saw, there's no damage. So I'm assuming, well, no visual damage. I can see that he kind of cracked the bumper where the little black lip meets the bumper where it connects to the under panel, the undershot. All right, but there's no like major damage. Definitely could have been worse. But I think the only reason why there's not is because he was a little dog, right? So he definitely died. Like he definitely did not live that. But yeah, I'm just like, bro, out of all cars, why me? All right, guys. So we came down here to downtown LA because look who is in town. Your man Chris. So we came down here, of course, to hang out, visit. I need to show you guys this hotel room. Hit the lights. I gotta show you guys this hotel room. Are you ready for this?
All of them?
Yeah, just hit all of them. Okay, well now they can't see me, but anyways, look at this, dog. That's crazy. Wait for this camera to focus, because you know it's a little slow. Look at that.
No.
Dog, that's actually crazy. Look, and the bed is right here. This fool's ordering room service, but the bed is right here, and you're literally looking at this view. Right, but that's not all. There's another one over here.
And you guys don't do the fried rice right now, or can you do that?
Almost tripped. But
you can't?
That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. I almost tripped over that. And it is the next morning. I wanted to wait till the next morning to end this video because I wanted to show you what this view looks like during the day. Look at this. This is crazy, bro. This is absolutely crazy. Like, you can legit see the traffic on the freeway. So apparently this is the tallest building in what? I can't remember. It was like some statistic, but it's like a very tall building out here in California. But it's crazy, bro. Like this view is actually crazy. You can actually see, at least if I can zoom in, you can see the Hollywood sign. Wait for it. It's right there. You can kind of see it. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's probably not gonna. Oh, it's focusing. No way. Yeah, look. Dang, you can see it clearly, kind of on here too. Yeah, legit can see the Hollywood sign from here. And the thing is, we're only 35 stories up. Like, this goes all the way up to 73 stories. Right, we're gonna actually go up to the rooftop right now to see what it looks like from there. But yeah, nonetheless, we're very high up, and this is a pretty sick view. Imagine when it's rainy though. Like, you're freaking in bed, right? You, your significant other, right? You guys are watching TV, and like, you literally have this view. Like, legit though, like when you're asleep, like this is what you wake up to. Like, this is what you wake up to, bro. Imagine like the sun is setting on either side, like you're watching TV. We can all agree that TV could be a little bit bigger, but it's sick. But I think what really blows my mind about this is the fact that this is legit somebody's view every single day. Like, somebody has like a penthouse suite or like a condo that overlooks the city like this, whether it's like in California, SoCal, or like New York, you know, somebody out there, or like Florida, right, Miami, somewhere somebody has a view like this that they wake up to every single day. That's sick, bro. And this is what it looks like on a 70th floor. You guys saw that when we were on the 35th floor, we were like eye to eye with that. Now we're like way above it. That's crazy. I know I'm not the only one that's scared of heights. Alright, so unfortunately, the rooftop bar was closed. It opens from like 3 to 10, and we had to check out, so it's all good. But I'm gonna end the video here. I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more content because we will be filming again this weekend. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah. Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say, I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it the snap back, you ain't fitting for it cause you